Hey guys, it's Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and for today's Ask Aaron, we have the question: how do you dance in public for the first time? Alright, there's a lot of ways you can think about it. I know for the first time, let's say, not in a battle context, like maybe you're outside and then you decide to throw some moves at a random party and things like this. It's fine. But to help you ease your way into dancing outside for the first time, here are a few things that you want to consider. First, location you're at, basically the floor. Like, what type of floor is it? What type of moves can you do on that floor? Okay, so branching off this question, you need to actually understand your moves well enough. Like, for example, if you can actually mill pretty well, but the floor is shit, you might want to reconsider doing mills. So you might want to do something else where you don't screw up that much. Okay? So apart from that as well, you need to consider space, the amount of space you have to dance while you're outside, and is it appropriate to do so when, maybe it's like a really small ass space, there's not enough area for you to do your stuff. You might want to give it a pass. Don't pick up every single opportunity that you have just because you could. Okay, and the last thing I feel is, what I personal preference is that music is very important, and at the event where you want to do your thing, you just want to make sure that the music matches what you're doing. I mean, unless of course you can be all into the mindset like, screw this, it's going to do power, so that's fine. But if you want to actually enjoy a dance and people want to have like a good, say, impression of the dance, just make sure the music is something that you can dance to. It's easy for you to match, and it won't make you go too far off your element. That's what I say. Okay, so thank you very much. Peace.